energy field, chakras. All of this is important in shamanic energy medicine or just energy medicine. We are indeed electrical beings. Just like that cell phone tower or all those radio waves that are coming in around us every day, we are adding to that field. We are electrical beings. We don't usually think of ourselves in that way. We think about our flesh, our bones, those things that we know create the ouchies or, the major issues that we suddenly end up in a cast for. So we forget that we are indeed this electrical system. Our heart, every second or so, is going to fire off electrical signals that are going to go through our body, cell by cell, molecule by molecule. That's how we stand up. That's how we hit record on the video camera. That's how we delete this video or any others or whatever, is because of an electrical signal. Well, that electrical signal is part of your electrical field, which is around your body. It is not just held within. And you might have heard of people talking about seeing auras, where they see the colors around your body. Well, some of us are trained to see or feel or interact in their own special way with your energy field. That's what I do as a practitioner. I am working within your energy field, and that's why this practice can work whether it's in person or by Zoom. As a shaman, I'm not only working in your energy field, I'm working with your chakras that are contained in our body. And both of them allow me to use the information like a blueprint so that I may help you with whatever issue or obstacle is in your life that you're seeking assistance with. It's amazing, and it really does work. But if we can create with our bodies, because scientists have said that the average person is producing enough energy in their normal day-to-day activity to light up a 100-watt light bulb. Now, that blows my mind, even though I work in this area. But until we get these little sockets where we can connect these light bulbs, we just have to know that we are indeed energy beings. We have this energy field, and it's how I, as a shamanic energy practitioner, connect with you and work with you.